Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about self-care practices. We generally are more engrossed in taking care of our family, our friends, our near and dear ones, and in the process we neglect ourselves. We cannot pour from an empty cup. To give love, we need to love ourselves. To give kindness, we need to be kind to ourselves. To forgive, we first have to learn to forgive ourselves and be gentle to ourselves. To give knowledge, we need to educate ourselves. So fill and nourish the source that is you. It's not selfish, it's wise. You don't have to put yourself down or neglect yourself to be there or take care of others. You are the source who needs to be refueled, revitalized, rejuvenated, and nourished. So I would like to put forward a few self-care practices or checklists which you can incorporate in your daily life. So the first point is stop all criticism. Criticism never changes a thing. Refuse to criticize yourself. When you criticize yourself, it changes a negative. Accept yourself exactly as you are. Forgive the past. Let the past go. You did the best you could with knowledge, awareness, and understanding you had at that time. Now you are learning and growing and promise to see yourself differently. The next point is don't scare yourself. Stop terrorizing yourself with your thoughts. Catch yourself overthinking. Overthinking brings only fear, insecurity, stress, anxiety, depression, and it's a dreadful way to live. Find a mental image that gives you pleasure and immediately switch your scary thought to a pleasure thought. It might be an image of your pets, your family members, your child, your parents, the flowers you love, anything, it might be anything. The next point is be kind and gentle and patient to yourself. Yes, be kind and gentle to yourself. Be patient to yourself as you learn the new ways of thinking. Love yourself as you would someone you really loved. Be kind to your mind. Self-hatred is only hating your thoughts. Don't hate yourself for having the thoughts. Gently change the thoughts. The next point is praise yourself. Praise builds up your inner strength. Praise yourself as much as you can. Tell yourself that you are doing the best in every way and with every little thing. The next point is support yourself. Ask for help when it is needed. It's not a weakness asking for help. Create a group that uplifts you, motivates you, can be honest with you, and can genuinely make you happy, and you can really count on them. Remember, nobody is judging you. If they are, let it be. Don't judge yourself. Be loving to your negatives. Acknowledge that you created those negative thoughts to fulfill a need, and now you are having new positive energetic thoughts to fulfill those needs and lovingly release the old negative patterns. Take care of your body. Yes, what kind of fuel does your body need to have optimum energy and vitality? Learn about nutrition. Discover the kind of exercise that you enjoy and cherish the temple that you live in. Bring it now. Yes, now. Don't wait until you get a good job, you get the desired weight, or you are in a good relationship. Begin now. Do the best you can. Have fun. Remember the joys that you had when you were a child, the things that gave you joy as when you were in your childhood. Incorporate those things into your life. Have fun in everything you do. Let yourself express the joys of living. Smile, laugh, rejoice, and the universe rejoices with you. Learn the opportunities to appreciate. Spend time with your loved and dear ones. Make time for prayer, meditation, good food, good exercise, everything. Your mind is everything. Your mind is a very powerful and a sacred gift to you. So train your mind to see the sadness, the goodness, you can create with your mind innovation, devastation. So fill your mind, learn to master your mind and be with the right people and shift your energy to the right thoughts and fill your mind with the right thoughts and remove the trash, because when the bin is overloaded, it smells, it rots and it overflows. So same is with the mind. So take good care of your mind and take good care of yourself. You are the most important person in your life. So take always, and the most important, the point that I would like to incorporate in your self-care practice is a mirror walk. That has been popularized by Louise Hay, the author of Heal Your Life. So she said, look into your eyes often. It's a mirror walk. Look into your eyes often. Tell yourself how much you love yourself. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Forgive yourself for all the mistakes you have done, if you think you have done, of course. And talk to your parents. Forgive them too. Talk to the people who have hurt you and forgive that too, because forgiveness is very essential for your well-being. And at least once in a day, say yourself, I love you. Yes, I love you. So meditate, pray, use silence, reconnect within. Thank you.